Hey guys, so this is the week 6 science, yeah, week 6 video for the 4th grade science review, which you guys should be doing as homework. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can see those answers and go over them together. So to a brook trout, the stream is its habitat, right? That's the place that it lives, provides food, water, shelter. The sharp quills protect the porcupine from its predators. This is a structural adaptation, meaning its structure or its body has created this adaptation to help it survive. So when it's threatened, and a porcupine will actually curl up into a ball, that's a behavioral adaptation. So your behavior are your actions. So the action of curling into a ball to protect itself, that's a behavioral. That instrument measures air pressure and it's called a barometer. Many flowering plants rely on animals to carry seeds. So animals walk by, they brush up against the flower. Some of the seeds get stuck in their fur, the animal walks away, and then maybe the seeds fall off a little while later, and that helps with pollination. We have these rows of teeth, actually. They're bristled strands called baleen, and they use to filter food out of the water, whales. That's a structural adaptation. Again, it's a part of their body. In this life cycle, which state are the eggs laid? So D, so when it's an adult, that's when it can lay eggs to reproduce. And those clouds are the thin, wispy ones. Remember my horse? The cirrus, the horse. Then I have to look at this picture of a seashore, and it says the acorn barnacles are seashore animals that live on rocks 1 to 2 meters over the low tide. These rocks, the acorn barnacles, are again its habitat where it lives. Some caddis fly larvae cover themselves with small twigs and pebbles to hide. That's a behavior. So covering an action, again, behavior. In winter, the Arctic fox has white fur, but in the summer it changes to brown. It helps it to hide, or if you wrote the word camouflage, I would also take the word camouflage. Josh wants to measure the amount of precipitation in the month of November. He should use a rain gauge, right, to collect his water and measure. Then I need to look at this food web and decide what's true. The snake eats the mouse and the salamander, that's true. And the salamander eats the insects, that's also true. The insect is not an omnivore, it only eats plants, so it's actually an herbivore, and the salamander eats the pine trees, not true, it eats the insect, which eats the pine tree. And there are 2 carnivores, the salamander eating the bugs, and the snake eating the mouse and the salamander. Using this diagram, how is the tadpole habitat different than the adult? Well, the adults can actually survive in land, whereas the tadpole, they actually live in the water. And then nice weather, clear skies, that's high pressure, and possible precipitation or storm, that's low pressure. All right, hopefully you guys did well, and I will see you next week. Bye.